What's up guys? What's up guys? It's good to be back. It's good to be back. Welcome to the first trading day of July. Welcome to the first trading day of July, and let's kick it off right away. Um, let's kick it off right away. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this morning. We thank you for today. We thank you for the day you have given unto us. We bless your holy name, for there's no one like you. Father Lord, as I'm about to commence my stream, be with me, guide the stream. Bless everyone turning in on this stream in the mighty name of Jesus. Their life shall be blessed. Their handwork shall be blessed. Their trade shall be blessed. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. So let's quickly run over everything. Let's see what's going on. So today we have a rate for the news on I have a referral news on USD, which is around 115, and I just got an information. I just found out that on Friday, this Friday is actually NFP. Friday is NFP, guys. Friday is actually this NFP. So sorry, not Friday, Thursday. Sorry, Thursday is NFP, guys. You can see it. I'm looking at this yesterday. You feel like I'm saying something but so Thursday, because of the whole July 4th, like in bank holiday in the US, so they moved the NFP to Thursday. So I'm going to be streaming NFP tomorrow by 1:30. So you guys should stay tuned and get ready for it, because I'll be streaming NFP, guys. So let's go over to our charts quickly, and let's just do a proper breakdown of what I'm seeing in the market and what we can likely achieve off of this crappy, crazy ass gold market. So first thing I'll do, I'm going to remove all my charts, clear off everything, and let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. So first of all, we can see that this level price has been in this massive range. So this has been like a massive range where price has been, and this is over 2,500 peak range. So this is about 2,500 peak range price has been for the past let me check that again. For the past am I saying right? For the past 72 days, yeah, that has been in massive range for the past 72 days. So now, how can we look to get any opportunities now? Now, looking at the structure, this was like a fake out. Like I said, I mentioned that this might likely be a fake out. Price wants to continue to cover this range, or is a fake out for price to continue back into the range. Now, if you just look closely and zoom in, let me zoom in on it. You see that the previous daily candle here, which has like very low bottom wick, closed above this range. So we have like a bullish closure above with a weak rejection. So there's possibility that this candle can on the daily could do something like this. You can see currently now is bearish, but if the bias is right and he wants to push up, it could probably do something like this, push down, which is a weak rejection, then give us like a bullish move like this on the daily by the time the whole structure closes. So this is something you might likely see on the structure, but this is not what we're looking at. This is a good thing that we can anticipate price doing, but this is not what we're trying to enter now. So let's go over to the 4 hours, then let's look at more detailed things on the lower time frame, so we can use to execute our trades when we get there. So let's quickly do that. The first one, let me take off everything here. So I've identified my level, I've identified my bias. Is a bullish bias for today. My bias is bullish for today. Price is currently bearish. The current 4 hours is bearish, and let's walk our way through. Let's see what's going on. So that's why the fact that we're on a bullish trend doesn't mean that price cannot give us a selling opportunities. I don't know if that makes sense. Never if we're in a bullish trend, it doesn't mean that price cannot give us a selling opportunity. We can see opportunities for sales in this market. Do you understand? So let's just scale down to the 4 hours. Now in the 4 hours, the previous 4 hours ended with bull. You can see it. You can see the rejection where price left, see structure price left here, and you see the coin 4 hours broke above the previous 4 hours high, but the current 4 hours candle is pushing downwards, but still hasn't broken below the low. Now, mind you, London session has not opened yet, so my London session has not given us its bias. We don't know London session bias yet, so we're going to wait to see, anticipate what exactly the 4 hours is going to do. But for now, so far so good. There's nothing going on here. But we can see that the 4 hours rejecting this level. The previous structure had a structure high, so this could be like a structural low, because if I move my line down a bit, you can see there's a level where price rejected off of. Yes, so there's possibility that price can still get to this point and reject back to the upside. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Please, if this makes sense, please just give us a like, and if you're new, just subscribe to the page, guys. If you're new, just subscribe. If whatever I'm saying makes sense, just give a like. So now let's go over to my 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour is telling. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that there's a support level that is here, like the line I drew previously on the 4 hours, and price is trying to break below, and price has moved. This 1 hour candle has moved over 70 pips, so price is trying to break below this low. Now, like I said, mind you, despite the fact that the bias is bullish, doesn't mean that we cannot get a selling opportunity. So if I see a selling opportunity, I'll go ahead with it. So there are two things that will likely happen here. Let's see, price is trying to break below this low. Now this is low I'm looking at. So these are two things that can happen here. Either price breaks below this low like this, close bearish below the zone like this. You can see bearish closure, and the next candle probably reaches the level 4, or we get something like this instead. So since price will break and close below, price can wick to the downside first. You can see like wick, like I know, just don't mind my, because I know when price wick below, you can likely see like back the bullish closure to the side. Then we can look for opportunities to buy at this level. So this would be like a fake out structure, because we're looking at level, so probably price is going to come and reject above this level. So that's the point, price rejecting of this level. So we can look for a buys after price goes back into the zone, the price to push upward. I don't know if this makes sense. This makes sense in my head. This structure makes sense in my head. This is what I'm saying. This is what I look for every day. So I don't know if it makes sense. So I hope it makes sense to you guys. So this is what I'm looking for currently now on gold, but nothing's going on. Nothing's going on. You get nothing's going on. So let's get down to the 15 minutes. Let's quickly have a keep the 15 minutes. Now, in 15 minutes, so you can see that this level is where price is just up. You can see price came down. Wow, like this is like a perfect projection. And this trade is wonderful based on the daily bias. If I was active at this time, probably most likely I would have gotten a buy from here. Like I'll just buy off this level here if I saw the structure. Or buy off this level. I stop loss will be below here for 26 pips. And price move over 100 pips. So this is wonderful. So let's see if price is going to do the similar thing around this level, because I can't just jump into the trade. I need to see prices need to create a level of support or resistance for me to look for either a buy or a selling bias. So for now, where's my previous level? This is the previous level price broke. This level is where price started pushing downwards from. So let's see. Price needs to create like a level, just a level for me. I just need to see some kind of bullish momentum. Even though price wants to push downward, I need to see like price struggling here, then I likely see like a bearish momentum. But I feel like here below here will be a better sell. So the price be below the structure. So let me see bearish momentum, price breaking below the low like this. Then I can space looking for sales to go to the downside. So this is something like this I'm looking for. Like this is a rough sketch of what I'm looking for in the market. So if I see this, then I'll look to enter the market and look for a trade. That's just it, guys. So that's just it. So let's just move around and let's see. We have a lot of time. We just have like 8 minutes to London section, so we have a lot of time. So let's see how price react a lot around this level and how the next 15 dollar candle behave. Then we respond. We just react to price action. Whatever price is telling us at that time, that's how we're going to react to the market. So I need to see something that I've been seeing consistent in the market. So this is the trading pattern. This is trading setup I use. Okay, give me 1 second. These are my setup. This is like what the setup I use to enter price. Like this all the markup. This is all the setup I use. So I use this price to do something similar to all these things that I have marked up here. Then you see me jump into the trade. So that's exactly what I want price to do. And if you need this, just text, put it on the chat that you need it, or send me a DM on my Telegram. So send me a DM on my Telegram. Send me a DM on my Telegram, and I will probably send it to you. I'm not gatekeeping it. I'm not gatekeeping anything. You guys. So this is my Telegram. My Telegram. This is my Telegram channel. Yeah, just click the link. It's in the chat. Click the link. So that's it, guys. That's it. So let's go back to GJ. Let's see what GJ is doing. So like I said, there's opportunities for buys, but let me quickly mark here as sell below. So this is what I'm looking for sales. Sales below is here. My sales are here. Sales below. For buys, nothing for buys yet. But I need to give me something in order for me to likely buy instant. But no, nothing. Sell below. So quickly, since we have about 6 more minutes, let's use that to look at GJ. Let's look at GJ quickly. Let's see what GJ is telling us. So let's see if we can do anything in GJ. So let's look at GJ quickly. So GJ has been the worst kind of market condition for a very long while. Like for a very, very long while. GJ has been crazy. He hasn't been moving well. I can say like close to a year, GJ has not been the best at all. But I don't know why I always keep coming back to GJ to like GJ. Even though I know that I likely won't trade it, but I always keep come back to that just to check what's going on in the market. But I don't know. But anyhow, let's work our way through. Let's start with the daily. Let's start with the weekly. Let's actually start with the weekly because the month just ended. Probably let's start with the monthly. Let's see how the monthly candle is. Then we scale down to the weekly. Let's do like proper cross down because the month just ended. Get me? So you can see that on the weekly time frame, we have a very strong bullish momentum because price closed above this level. Although it's rejecting this level here, but we have the closure above. Now, if this was a 15 minutes time frame or a 30 minutes time frame, this is my golden opportunity for me to look for buying opportunities. This is the spot that I look for. Let me look for that. Just a little bit of flip, and I'm going to buy the market. This is what I always look for in the market when I come to trade GJ or gold besides. But since this is not the 15 or the 30, this is the monthly, so I cannot do anything. I just have to just scale through to the lower time frame and tell you guys the opportunities that we likely see on the lower time frame. So let's go over to our daily. No, not daily. My bad. Let's go back to the weekly. So let's do 1 week and let's check what's going on in the weekly. So on the weekly, price is pushing downwards. It's still rejecting of this level. So it should be a better buys above this level if price can manage to break above here. So this would be a very good buy because we have cleaner candles on the weekly. This is very fine candles here. So let's go over to the daily time frame and let's see what's going on in the daily. So on the daily, price is creating a support level currently now on the daily. Although we have a bearish momentum, but this might likely still be a flip for price to push you downside. But that being said, let's look at the 4 hours time frame. We have for GJ, we have a bearish momentum. Now on the 4 hours, you can see that price is rejecting a lot. We have a lot of rejection. You can see price rejecting all this level. You can see all this. Hold on, guys. You can see all this rejection. You can see rejection. Price is just rejecting off that level. A lot of rejection there. Well, that's not what we're looking for. So you can see that price has a level of support, resistance here on the 4 hours. In as much as I know that if I drop to a much lower time frame, this is going to change. So if I go to my 1 hour, I can see it's still hold, but there's a lot of levels everywhere. Like it's not clear. I can't just fall. If I decide to wait for price to break above this level now, you can see the next zone is just the 10 people. You can see, unless there's like a very high volume in the market that will just decide to push price rapidly to the upside. But if not that, price is not looking like the best. You get price is not looking at the best. Price is not looking at the best at all. So what's going to happen is that since the current daily bias bearish. If I measure this range below this structure here, I'm not liking GG at all. Okay. If you get a closure above here, you can look to buy it a bit up here. But since the bias is bearish, like I said, maybe you can look for sales below here. Yeah, sales below here might work. You can sell price when price close below. When you see a bearish closure like this below structure, below this level here, you can look to wait for retest. The flip of the candle, you can look to sell price to the downside. This is something else. This is something you can actually look on GJ. This is something you can also look on GJ. But I'm not liking the market condition. And for buys too, you can buy when price breaks above this level. You can also buy same, just looking for the same thing. You get same thing, but just that only problem that price can just decide to do one candle and cover the range, and this way you know that the trade wasn't your trade. You understand? You just miss the move. You know that this trade wasn't the trade. So that's it. So let's go back to gold. We have about 1 minute more for the candle to close. So let's go back to gold. Let's see what gold is doing. I feel like it's not doing anything. Yeah, right. So right. I feel like it's not doing anything. So okay guys, so I like the way this candle is forming. If it closes like this, I'm gonna do something crazy. Oh, it already pushed, too late. Okay, no, I'm still correct. Yeah. So if it closes like this, because of the way I'm even seeing the 5 minutes, 5 minutes is doing good. It closes like this. Now the 5 minutes, if I see like price rejecting downwards on the 5 minutes, but it's not, I'm not on the 5 minutes. I'm just showing you guys something that's going to happen. So on the 5 minutes, if I see price rejecting, coming down, create a low, the moment you flip bullish, based on just my bias for the day, I'm going to look for opportunities to buy the price of this place like this to go to the upside. You get? So this is like a seller play on my strategy. So inverted seller play. So let's just wait 2 seconds. We need to see a bearish first. Price needs to push down. Then once you push down, you can look for opportunities to go long. And you can buy it back to this level, which is 50 p. Stop loss will be around 30 p as well. So let's see. Let's wait. Let's see, guys. Just get ready. Because anything can happen right now. I like the structure. What I need a bearish momentum. Pushing so open. About calm down now. Okay, let's go. I need to push down first. I need to. If you just pushed up, then that's just it. Okay, don't worry. Never mind. This trade won't play out. Or it has no, but yeah, let's try. Let's give it a 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 try, guys. If it flips bullish, if it doesn't, then just give it a try. This might be price facing low. The deeper the low, the better the buy. So let's give it a try, guys. Let's give it a try. I like the whole formation because deeper the buy. The reason why I'm entering is because price hasn't decided where he wants to give us to do yet. And on the 1 hour, price is getting up this level, and this level is a level price that's rejected multiple times. So the little things that can happen here is either price keep pushing downwards and don't activate us, or price activate us. You understand? So once we get activated and price move like 10 p, then we look to also stop to break even on all. But that's it. If price push down, break the low, then we just delete the buy stop as well. Because this candle too has not created a high. So price needs to create a high before it creates a low. So we have to wait for this candle to create a high. So the high is going to create, we have a look to secure. So if price decides to flip bullish, this is our first take profit, like where to look at, because this candle tool has no topic as well. So probably need to create that topic for the candle. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Yesterday, price gold was just clean with us yesterday. Buy stop. So I said, like I said, I like buy stop. I like buy stop a lot. I like buy stop and sell stop a lot because it makes you just know how to execute your trade. Do you understand? You just know how to just execute your trade. But looking at the structure, I don't know. Price is pushing downwards. We might likely not get what we need. Likely not get what we need. If price just breaks its own low, we're letting it buy stop on everything. Or if the 5 minutes goes, let's just wait it out. Let's wait it out. Let's wait it out. Let's wait it out, guys. Let's wait it out. Let's see if we'll get what we want or not. Oh yeah. Like I said, once price break is on low, then that's it for us. Okay, guys, get ready to delete your sell stop, your buy stop. Sorry, get ready to delete your buy stop. So okay, this is another thing that can happen. This is another thing that can happen in the charts because I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for sales below here. This is like where I drop my sales. But I'm looking for buys. So this is another thing that can happen here if we don't get this trade to actually though. So if the buys want to actually pay out, you might likely see this 15 minutes candle maybe probably closing like weak bear, or maybe not too weak, but has like a weak, like a rejection, like just closing like something like this, or maybe it has a bit of body, you understand? Then the next candle would likely now push bullish above the zone. And if the price wants to actually push up, so this is something that can actually occur on the chart, you understand? Then you likely look for price to activate our entries or price to push to the upside. So this is something else I am currently looking at on gold. So let's see if it's going to probably happen or not. If it's not, then that's still fine. You get that's still very much fine. That's still very much fine. So we just have to wait and see. For now, what we do, you can wait. We wait till the next extra 5 minutes. Price are not broken is previous low, so let's wait. Then we'll delete our buy stop and wait for price. Like yesterday now. Yesterday the trade I called out yesterday. I know the funny thing. After I said price we should delete our buy stop, the trade actually went forward. Like it got activated later on. Like assuming we didn't leave our buy stop, like we left our buy stop, because I couldn't put back the buy stop on time. But at the moment the price just weak down, just pushed up immediately, and it got like 20. I couldn't. That was the moment that I just said no more. But I see you guys tomorrow. You understand? Because I can't chase trade. I'm not the type of person that wants to chase trade. You understand? I've been doing this for a very long while, and I've learned a lot of lessons. So I have to be patient. Don't worry, if you miss a trade, one full week or 2 weeks, don't worry, the other week you might get a trade or something. You don't have to force it. You understand? If it's not there, it's not there. Not there, not there. Or if it's there and you missed it, just wait for the next one. Don't have to push with that same trade. You can push with that same trade. Anyways, really so looking at gold social, there's another opportunities here. So this would have been a good opportunity. Okay guys, deleting buy stop now. Deleting buy stop. Deleting buy stop. Taking this out. Let me take it out of my phone as well. Take it out of my phone. Delete. Delete. Where's the last account? Where is it? Delete. Okay guys, I've deleted buy stop on all my accounts. So let me type it guys. Delete your buy stop. Delete buy stop. Delete buy stop guys. Let's wait. Let's wait. Probably it's selling opportunities. Probably the bias is fresh. So let's wait. Let's wait and see guys. Let's wait and see. Like I said, I'm looking for sales. Yeah. But it's not that, but I won't just sell it the moment I just see a bearish candle closing below. I need like a proper market structure forming below the structure before I look for any sales. Do you understand? So I need like a proper market structure. So we wait, guys. Like the volume is crazy, man. It's crazy volume here. Let's look at JJ should be going up. JJ doesn't anything. Oh, sound. Just take the gold. So for gold, you know, like I'll just say closure below the structure, and I'll just let me get this down. You guys remember the other structure I talked about, the fake out? So this might be something that might happen. Price might close below, the next candle close bullish, then look for buy. So I'm feeling very positive that we might get an opportunity today. And I'm feeling very, very positive. So let's just wait it out. If we don't, then we don't. But I'm feeling really, really positive that we might get an opportunity in the stream. So let's say it. Is it going to be a winner? I don't know. Is it going to be whatever it is, whatever the outcome is, we're ready for it. Understand? Guys, can you see what exactly is going on here? You can see how price pushed down is rejecting. You can see your structure moving. This is crazy. Like this is a crazy market condition. This is a crazy market condition, and I actually feel like we're going to get a buy sooner or later. So you can see that the fake out now is playing out on the 5 minutes. Fake out spin on 5 minutes, price came down, retest this up, spin on 5 minutes, guys. It's crazy. Let's see how it's gonna close. Let's see how it's gonna close, man. We'll likely get a buy soon. We get a buy soon, guys. Let's stay active. Let me bring out this stuff. And just wait it out. Just wait, guys. Two more minutes. So a lot of things can happen here. If price doesn't close very weak below here, I would likely wait for the next 15. So the next 15 might create a bullish structure. So if this kind of close the way it is, I'm likely wait for the next 15. If the next 15 close a bullish structure like this, then we can look to like buy off the next one and this. You understand? So go to the upside. So this is something else you can see in this market. But let's wait. Depending on how this can close, you close like this, then what we're going to do. But you have to just wait. Let's see how it's actually close, so you can know how we're going to react. Okay, you understand? That's actually wait. Let's actually wait. It's a waiting game, guys. If it close well, then I'll look for this is going to be an impulsive trade for me. I'll put a buy stop up over here, price will just push up. Once it's 10. But the thing is that if I put a positive buy, price move 10 people, I feel like price might likely come back and hit us on LSL before actually moving up or something. You get like that's what I feel is going to happen. So let's wait and see. So it has ended right now, and let's see. I don't know. I don't want to get into soon. Yeah, I don't want to get into soon. Or just trying to. Yeah. Okay, I'll wait. Yeah, I'll wait for the next 15. Guys, we wait for the next 15, guys. Wait for the next 15. Wait for the next 15. So this might be actually be the 5 minutes, just doing the 5 minute retest. We should keep pushing upward. You get me? But let's wait for the next 15. Let's take it slow. Let's wait for the next 15. Then we know how we're going to react. Let's wait for the next 15. Now price has created what I was talking about. I need some kind of structure, for me to look for any opportunities. Now price has created the structure for me. Price is giving me a resistance level. So this is a resistance. I have a resistance now. So if I get a closure above resistance, then I can look for buy because I still have a range. I still have about 50 pips range where price can cover, and if price decides to push more, then I have about 80, 90 pip range. So let's see how it plays out. So just wait for the next. Let's wait for the next 15. So on the 5 minutes, this might play bullish. I don't really. Let's just wait. Let's be a bigger person. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait and see how it plays out. Then we'll know exactly what we want to do. Man, it's crazy how I talked about this whole entire stuff, man. I talked about it. It's literally trying to play out the way I spoke about it. It's crazy. The more you trade, the more you understand market structure. You understand? It's all market structure. And what is always good at market structure? You respond to market structure a lot. Anyways, let's just wait. Let's see how the candle forms. Determine whether we're going to jump into the trade or not. That's basically all I can see. So we have about 12 minutes to wait. Yes, in 12 minutes we know exactly what we're going to do about the whole trade and all. We'll wait it out. Give me a second, guys. Let me get something. I need water. Water. So I'll be back. Alright, guys, we're waiting. We're waiting now, looking at every possible scenario that can happen. Chance. Like, we're looking at every possible scenario. We're looking at scenario for sales, for buys, for everything that could probably happen. If you get to sell, we're going to sell. If you get to buy, we're definitely going to buy. Again, but we're looking at every scenario. So let's wait it out. Let's wait it out, guys. That's just about it. So we're currently at 51 minutes into the stream. I know that probably the main stream itself is just like give or take 30 minutes or 30 or 40 minutes currently on the stream, because I know I usually have the stream intro run for a while before I actually start. Still waiting for looking at the chart. Like I said, the only opportunity I have seen in this market is around that happened was around this point. But probably we wouldn't have even bothered entering the trade because it's not our setup and we are not active at this time. But it plays out well. When prices are moving, then we trace. At least we have gotten a trade to this point, which is around 60p, which is good. So let's wait it out, guys. Let's wait it out. You can see how price is jetting. Price is just jetting slowly, guys. It's jetting slowly. Seriously. Anyways, let's wait. If you have some time, just wait. The stream is basically close to 2 months old. June, we didn't place a lot of trade June on stream. It's done a week plus, close to 2 weeks. I had like serious network issue. I was able to have about 4 or 5 trades, if I'm not mistaken. 4 or 5 trades. So that's probably that's good. So I'm waiting, guys. So I'm waiting. You can just go back. Whatever you are doing, you can just go and come back around. When it's you just leave it the hour account. You don't leave and come back in 7 minutes. So let's see how the structure ends in 7 minutes. Because me, I'm just trying to get myself busy. I can't be staying in account. It's boring. It's really boring staying in account. So let's that's it, guys. That's it. Let's keep seeing how it goes. Seems like it's pushing down, guys. Are we gonna get a sell? Are we gonna get a buy? It's pushing down, guys. That's really pushing down. Listen, probably we'll get this selling opportunity we need, but we're not going to rush. We're not going to rush the setup. We'll just wait and see how it closes and all. And then we know what exactly we're going to do. So we just wait. Let's just wait, guys. Five more minutes. I know you guys cannot see, so let me move it to the side so you guys can see where the whole stuff is, so you know where we're looking for opportunities. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So let's wait, guys. 5 more minutes, then we know. Might not even know in 5 minutes, so let's wait. I'm still here, I'm still active, I'm still looking for opportunities. I'm not trying to be in a hurry to leave the stream. Or let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting 4 more minutes to the end of the candle. Then we see if there's any potential. So let us wait, guys. One more minute, guys. I don't know. I doubt that we might get any opportunities now, but still give me room for more. Let's see. Let's see. Before I say anything, let's just wait. Let's see. I see a lot of rejection going on there. If I go to the 1 minute, you see a lot of rejection going on there. So let's see. 5 minutes to rejection. So let's see. Let's just wait and see. You get. Let's wait and see. If the next candle will either from here push back up, or can you push back up by the next one? So like I'll be here till like 9 o'clock. Push back up, maybe push back down, and yes, then we can look for sales, or push back up and give room for possible opportunities for us to like buy this back to the range, something. So let's see. It all depends on how this candle closes. We get, so let's wait. I'll be here tonight, so I see although I'm not doing anything, but I'll be here tonight. So I'm looking for I feel like we have an opportunity in the market. So I'll be here, so just to see how it all unfolds. But if it doesn't, then it is what it is. You get, it is what it is. One more minute, guys. Let me drop the phone and beat. Let me get serious. Let me look at my chat. Let me get serious, guys. One more minute. Let's see. Let's see how this candle will close. One more minute. Trying to get serious. Okay, rejecting back. Rejecting back up. Oh wow. Rejecting back up. So let's wait. Let's see. 30 minutes. Oh wow. You gotta be kidding me. You have to be seriously be joking with me for you to do this that you're doing right now. God, can you be so somehow sometimes? Why can you be behaving like this? You're good. I gave you my heart, you're scattering it up and down. So let's wait, let's hope. The 30 minutes look like a fake out though, but 15 minutes is back to normal. It's just 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back outside. Back outside. Let's wait. Wait, I can't even say anything. Wait, I'll wait for the next 15. And I'll decide in the next 15. If possible, if 15 minutes safe time close above this level, this will be a good thing. So let's wait, guys. We're waiting for the next 15 minutes. The next 15 minutes, you know exactly. I'm not selling it. I'm not selling anything. It might go up, it might flip below, I might push, but I'm not selling, guys. I'm not selling. I am waiting. That's what I'm doing. I'm not selling. I'm waiting. Right, myself, but I'm not doing that. I'm waiting, guys. Just waiting. I can actually sell. I actually feel bearish and sell. But you can see that price is rejecting and there's a lot of rejection here. How can I be selling with a lot of rejection here? Like a lot of rejection. If there's anything like weak fill, this candle has done the weak fill already. You get, so I can't be forcing trades. I have to just wait and allow trade play out. Then I look to inside. So I have about 13 more minutes. So let's wait for 13 minutes. Let's see what happens in that 13. Then we know exactly what we want to do. So for now, there's nothing. Go along with your business, along whatever you're doing. Come back in the next 13 minutes. 13 minutes, then we know exactly what we want to do. So if you get a closure above here, you see have room for buys. 30 minutes like this. Just wait. We're just looking at it. Also the flip of the 1 hour. Okay. Let's just wait. Let's see how it goes. Let's wait, guys. Waiting, guys. So I see waiting. Let's see if we get the closure below the structure. Then we know exactly what I'm doing. So I'm waiting, guys. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Let's see how the whole stuff plays out. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting, just waiting for extra 5 more minutes. Then we know what we're going to do. 5 more minutes, guys. Five more minutes, guys. Here we go. So we have 2 more minutes. Let's see if the candle will close bullish. I don't know. Let's see if the candle close bullish. So 2 more minutes, guys. If this candle closes bullish, then you can anticipate bullish momentum. 2 more minutes. Let's see if the candle closes bullish. Moments. Let's see if we can close bullish, guys. Then we can anticipate something going on here. See, I mean rejection. Price has been rejecting like a lot, yeah. Like price has been doing a lot of rejection. And that's really... One more minute, guys. 1 more minute. We don't, we wait for the next 15 again. Like I said, I'm going to be getting 9 o'clock. I'm going to be getting 9. So if you don't get the closure we need, we wait for the next 15. Then if the next 15 close bullish, then we can look for opportunities. But if this one close bullish now, then we can look for opportunities. We have about a few seconds more. So let's see if we get what we need so we can look for opportunities. So I'll buy like from around here, like something like this. Something like this. Okay, it's failing to close below. It's failing. Okay, price failed to close above. So this is what it is. So let's wait. It failed to close above. So it is what it is. So you still have to wait. Wait, guys. Now if you get the closure above here, luckily price doesn't push too up, but if you get a closure above here, then we can look to buy. Hopefully price doesn't, because the volume has come in now and it's kicking price crazy. So let's just wait and see. So hopefully the price closes above, like it's kicking in, like the volume has come in, price is kicking in crazy. So let's just wait and see how it closes in the next 11 minutes. Or if in the next 11 minutes price has gotten to this point, then that's it. We just allow it go and we miss the trade. You get me? But the volume is in, like the volume is in now. The volume I'm waiting for. When I thought about the buy stop above here, I thought about it. But the only problem was this candle be close bullish. Assuming this candle was just above this level, my bro, you definitely this would have been our entry. We have been up here, and we have been about 37 pip now in profits, and our support should just be below the structure for like 18 pip or 20 pip. This would have been the setup. This would have been the setup for the day. I would have been done. Like we have been so done. But if I'm seeing itself, this trade itself might even come and cover the entire range. It goes to the 1 hour, so 1 hour is flipping 30 minutes engulfing. Remember what I said, that all this candle has no top big, there's no big rejection. So price has created all of it for them. Like created all of it for them. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. You can see the bars was right from the very first start, but price didn't just do what I wanted it to do. Well, I would have reached it by entering impulsive. Probably that would have been the case. That would have been the best case scenario in this trade. But I just wanted this price to just close bullish. Like, and for a second, for like 3 seconds, it was about to. The price push back down. I think it did, and I would have been so long. I would have been so long. Price has pushed us, guys. This is the move. Like this is the move. This is the move for the section, and it's looking like we will miss the move for the section. It's just looking like we missed the move for the section, guys. So that's just it. This is the for the section, and you can force it, you can chase it, but just wait. Just say wait till. Let's just say wait till 9 o'clock, and let's see if we're probably going to get something else playing around that level. So just wait. We have about 10 more minutes, and 10 more minutes price can still move crazy up. 10 more minutes price can move crazy. But let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Hopefully price rejects and we get like if you can get a 30 minutes. Okay, if you can get it 15 minutes rejecting, leaving like a rejection like this, let me show you. Like the way it is, just leave it like a rejection like this. It's kind of like this. Then you can look for price retesting. Then we can buy. You get so. Or if you don't get that, the price close the way it's looking to close, then we get something like this. Then we can look to probably buy. You understand? Probably buy. Or this was to move, or we can wait and see if price will actually give us like candle structure we need. So let's just wait. We have about 8 minutes 50 seconds. So unless it's like this was the move, like I just needed this price to close bullish, but it didn't. So the price has moved up. So there's nothing we can do. We just wait for the next 8 minutes. Then the next 8 minutes we'll know exactly what we're going to do. Okay, the next 8 minutes we know exactly what we're going to do. So we wait it out. You can see it's kind of nice. Once we break above, we might consider pushing upward. Anyways, it's alright, it's all good. But let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see. I have to wait, guys. So I'll be. Just give me a few seconds. I'll be back. Just give me a few seconds, guys. While I wait for 3 minutes, let me do a a quick, quick rundown on gold. Let me take off everything. Let me take off everything and let's do a quick rundown. So where did I see my low? This is my candle low. Yeah, this is my low. Where do I see my high? This is my high. This is my high here. This is my high. This is my low. So if price should move from this level to this level, it's over ACP. But from the actual level price side driving from, this is around 130 pips. So it would be crazy for me to start looking for buys above here after price has moved more than 30 pips. Now, if I zoom in on this, there's an opportunity where we can trade off, which is here. Now I'm trying to silence the noise. I know there's a level here which I'm going to use a red candle, red line to mark up. I'm going to silence the noise. That is a possibility that if price wants to push up, it can drive to the stop. So what's going to happen now is that we are going to wait for price to close because I'm liking the way it's closing. Then we're going to look for opportunities like a bearish momentum to the downside, and once you get the flip, we're going to buy the price for price to probably push up. So this is what I see right now, and this is what I'm going to do. So probably the weights. This is what the weights I've been waiting for since. So let's see if we're going to get an opportunities and if we're going to place a trade, and if the trade is going to hit our TP or so. So I've picked up my tools and getting ready for opportunities. Like, okay, let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. So what I need is, I just simply need a bearish momentum to the downside, like a bearish structure pushing price to the downside like this. Then we get a bullish momentum. So it's going to be like, after price push downwards, it's going to be like price coming down like this. Then the next candle price pushing upwards. So something like this, you get a buy around this level. So that's exactly what I'm looking for on gold in order for us to just make money of this. So I think the wait wasn't that bad as well. So we waited 10 seconds more, 10, 6, blah blah blah, 5, 4, 3, so on. So let's see. Let me just look at the 5 minutes as well. I didn't do anything, but I need to look at, okay, no problem. The price has ended, so let's see if we get some kind of this. And this is even a 30 minutes engulfing candle. So let's get that bullish. This is where I'm going to put my stop loss. The low of this, now I'm going to put my stop loss. Let's see. I need that push down. I need that push down. I need that push down. So let me take it up a bit. Let me use a. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my network, but if you can see the setup, you know. I'm trying to enter anything. Okay. I'm using 36 pips stop loss for now. I might adjust the stop loss. 36 pips stop loss. So, 6. Okay. Send out. So listen guys, let's see if price activator. So using straight activators now and start pushing upward. We're going to adjust our stop loss to like somewhere around here. You get, so let's wait. So just waiting guys. Let's wait and see. Everything is marked up. Just waiting to see how the whole candle plays out. So that's it. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait, guys. Let's see if we'll get any opportunities. I like the way the candle is rejecting. So I feel like if you flip bullish, you might get the opportunity now. So let's see. So you need to be quick because the trade might be quick. So you need to be quick with take profit and all and everything. So just stay active, guys. Just wait. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays out. So we're currently we'll be streaming for 1 hour 35 minutes. I think this is like our longest stream. Every day I keep saying this is our longest stream, but I think this is actually our longest stream because I don't think I've streamed since 9 o'clock before, and this is like a few minutes past 9. So I think this is actually our longest stream. So let's see. Let's see if possible this trade can give us a mad ass runner. That'll be it. So if it flips bullish now, 5 minutes is closing soon, which is good. So I'm moving my stop loss to this low here, which is around 21p. So that'll be my new stop loss. Copy. Let me modify the entry. So that's it. SL at 21. Look at the 5 minute structure. Why it's close? It's feeling to push bullish. Let's see. Let's see. Still feeling, guys. Still feeling. I'm looking at if by mistake any of my trades got triggered by spread. Okay, nothing is triggered yet, so I'm waiting. So please, if you're entering a trade and you have like high spread, please be careful with your broker, because some brokers has high spread. Or if you trading with XNS raw spread, you should go. Or if you don't have any other pair and probably a broker has high spread, just DM me. I'll tell you the best broker to use with low spread that can trade on gold. It's anything less than $10 accounts. You can trade with a very tight spread on gold. Fast withdrawal, fast deposit, everything is faster. Everything is kind of fast. So I'll let you guys know. If you guys interested, just let me know. I'll let you guys know. So let's see if this count is going to get triggered, and let's see if we're going to make money off this trade. So this is the whole setup here. So let's see if we're going to make money or not. So we're about to get triggered. Okay, I think we got triggered. Did we? I think we got triggered. Did we get triggered? We didn't get triggered. That was close. We didn't get triggered. But definitely getting triggered now. Okay guys, we're all in. We are all in on this trade. So let's see how it plays out. We're all in, guys. Let's see how it plays out. If price is coming back to our SL, or we're going to make money on the trade. So we're all in, guys. We're all in. are all in. So how I manage this trade? This trade is not looking like it's going my way. So if this 5 minutes candle break is current low, like it's on low, so I'll look to close some position when it breaks its on low because the booking is high, so I don't expect it to break its low. So once it start breaking below its own 5 minutes low, then I'll look to close some position. So that's exactly how I'm going to manage this particular trade. So that's how I'm going to do it. So aside that, let's wait. Let's see if the trade will play out well, and let's see if we're gonna make money off the trade. So that's just it. And that's just it. Let me send this to the chat. Copy image. So let's see. Right in, we're active. Let's know exactly what I'm going to do. Trade active. Trade active. If trade doesn't work my way, it doesn't go my way, fine. I know I waited for the trade setup. This is something I trade every other day. So let's see how I play out. Let's see how it plays out, guys. So we're currently rejecting of the entry and all, but let's see. We haven't gotten a 5 minutes bullish closure, so if this candle close bearish, it might be a bad thing. Like a 5 minute close bearish, it might be possibly the price might come down to stop us. But remember, once it breaks this low, I'm looking to close my position, like close most of my position to manage my risks. Because risk is everything, and to manage profits. So it closed bullish, which is good. So let's see how the next candle will push. And it's taking forever, and normally gold doesn't take forever like this. So okay, we're in profit now, guys. We're in profit now. We are in profit now, guys. Our back to entries. So let's monitor this. Once we get 10 people profits, I look to move stop loss to PE. And let me put time. So I'm going to 10 people, I look to move my stop loss to PE, guys. So just literally at just a little bit in profits, not much, not small, just a little bit in profits. So let's see how it plays out. things can happen here. Either we win the trade or we don't. So that's just it. Remember, once it breaks low, closing. I try close position and at this level. Once it get there, I start managing my entries, managing my stop, just managing everything basically. Managing everything that needs to be managed. Man, this is longest we've been on the charts, and this is longest I've put in the trade in a very long while. Like hold the trade in a while. Like, I won't hold the trade in a while like this. Let's see. We're back in profit, guys. So let's see. I want that to see the whole process of bringing drawdown, bringing profit. Okay, guys, so we're approaching 10 pips, guys. 10 pips in profit, right? Move stop loss to BE. Move stop loss to BE, guys. Move stop loss to BE. Reach free. Go reach free on the trade, guys. Move stop loss to BE. For 10 pips. Move stop to BE. Move your stop to BE, guys. For 10 pips in profit. Go reach free. Go reach free, guys. Go reach free on this. 10 pips in profits. Reach free. Hopefully this next 15 doesn't come down. Just keep pushing upward. Hopefully that way it does. Hopefully that way it does. So I 10 people in profit, guys. Let's see. So our stop loss was 20 pip. So 20 pip, guys. So let's see if we can get 22 on this. So we can look to. Okay, guys, it's 20 pip. We're approaching 20 pip now. 20 pip, guys. 20 pips. Profits. Close 80%. Because I was typing, I couldn't close my 80% on time, and I couldn't even close it. So I'm leaving it instead. But I'm risk free on both trades. But I couldn't just close it on time. But it's all good. It has filled up the week. The week has been filled. So let's see if price can get to this point or it's going to come back to our entry. But it's all good. The trade was a good trade. It was a good trade. Like a good trade, A+ setup, good win. Clap, guys. Let's see W's on the chart, guys. W's on the chart. If you call the trade, W's on the chart. But the trade, I'm still on the trade, guys. I'm still actually on the trade. So let's see how it's going to run. This side is going to run. This side is going to run. So the trade was actually worth the wait. It was actually worth the wait because we waited for this trade. We waited for it, guys. We waited for it and it plays out. So let me Let me put the record on. So we have our first win for the month of July. So the trade is still on, guys. See on. So you might see, you might push up. I'm seeing the trade, like I said. I'm not pushing anything. I'm not pushing anything. I'll tell you what to do. So, yeah, I'm not closing anything, but I'm closing some position now because it's back at 20p. So I'm closing some position. Not all, but just some, so we can have a bit of runners. So like it's already 1 to 1. So why hold the trade when it's already 1 to 1? I don't know if that doesn't make sense. So I'm closing some position. I'm letting a bit of runner run. You get me? So that's what I'm gonna do. Close there. This one too. So let's see. I believe I trade you get at least to get to this point. I believe I should get to this point. So this is a beautiful trade. And this is trading at its finest. Trading at its finest. You can't do more than this. You can't do more than this. Like you can't do more than this. I know everybody has this different way of making money, but this is like trading made easy. With this kind of things like this, you cannot like I don't even understand what I'm saying, man. But this is trading made easy. So I'm closing some positions too here. So let me close 1.5 lots. That's good. So I'm having a runners. Runners give me $100. So that's fine. So I'm also trying to pass a pro firm currently now. I'm trying to pass a pro firm, and I'm just basically like 4% to pass it. I'm basically just 4% to pass it. It's 25k pro firm. So I'm up. I'm already up. I'm up 1,256. So anyway, it's all good. It's all good. Trading like I'm holding this one now. If this one give me. This one can move 100 people, which I doubt, but if you move 100 people, it's going to be a good one. So, anyways, that's it for today. I hope the stream was good. Everybody learned something good, made money. But like I said, I had a good feeling that we're going to make money today. I just had a good feeling. Good feeling. You get your day, how your day is always tells a lot about whether you're going to make profit or not. So, I had a good feeling, and the feeling paid out. So, see you guys tomorrow, same time. Stay active and wait for me to drop every banger back to back. So stay active for more stuff. I've not done the last one. So we're up 12 wins so far since the stream started. It's good. Share to your friends. Tell your guys that there's somebody playing out here streaming. So that's it, guys. See you guys same time tomorrow. Hopefully I have network because yesterday I didn't have network. Hopefully I have network.